Immersion and underground corrosion are two distinct processes that deteriorate metallic material in different environments. Immersion corrosion occurs when metals are continuously submerged in liquids, like water or saline solutions, leading to electrochemical reactions with oxygens and dissolved salts. It is common in marine and water systems and results in the formation of surface oxides and hydroxides. Underground corrosion affects metals buried in soil, such as pipes and cables, and involve more complex factors like soil moisture, salts, organic compounds, and bacterial activity. Sulfates in the soil can convert to sulfides, accelerating corrosion. While immersion corrosion is driven by salinity and oxygen, underground corrosion arises by a broadened range of environmental influences, making it more aggressive. This is Cosmos Coatings. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.